to just about up, but obviously many highly successful business people on this panel, many exits have happened on here, many big companies have been built. Can you give the startups one piece of advice on seeking out partners to help grow and scale their business?
Yeah, sure. So I think David and I actually had this conversation the other day, and I know we did Krista too. I think one of the biggest things that startups always focus on in this day right now is, okay, I need to get my marketing, I need to get my advertising, I need to do my web design, I need to push my messaging to as many people as possible. Just get it out there, get it out there, get it out there. That works in a product industry. If you've produced a product and you already have it rolling out to market, yes, marketing and sales are absolutely your best friend. You need to spend the money on sales. You need to have sales teams to push it out there. If it's a service, yes, but more so it's client relationships. Forget. Oh, I know this is you're gonna like shun me for this, Krista, but in professional services, so with my family's company, Tectonic, believe it or not, so we've 700 people, 24 states, and 3 countries. We've done about 0 in-house or external marketing. It's all built through partnerships. It's all built through relationships. It's all built from actually talking to people. Believe it or not, like I used to go out there and shake a lot of hands and just have conversations with people. It's about getting the work, and it's about keeping on your vision and following through. I think what I've seen is, kind of have this like New York mentality that I grew up on, where I want everything yesterday. But too many times I've even experienced, I think we've all experienced out here, or in every place we've lived or worked at some point, somebody says they're going to get you something, and then they wait 3 weeks to get it to you. It doesn't work. If you tell someone you're going to get them something, you get it to them, and you get it to them early, and that's how partnerships are built.
Right. The biggest thing is the way I look at it with the companies that I've had and I've exited from, it's delivering on what you say you're going to do, under promise, over deliver. Yeah. Okay. And then you have partners that fit into a network that are coachable. When you have employees, they're coachable. When you have partners, they're coachable. They're understanding, and you all are strong in different areas, and you challenge each other and push to the greater thing. So, and it's all about carrying out that message, that original message, and staying true to that message and delivering on it. So,
yeah, go ahead.
I would say my number one rule is only do business with people you trust. Period.
Yeah,
Period.
I'll echo that. Don't discount nor dismiss the people around you and whether or not they like you and you like them, because you want to spend a lot of time with these folks.
I know, I talk to you way too much, Brian.
3,000 miles away, and it's like, I talk to him when I talk to my girlfriend.
You're gonna get me in trouble.
I get to leave.
Oh, she's gonna come after me.
but yeah, it's all about having that bond with your partners. If you can survive a car ride with a business partner for 8 hours, that is somebody that you want to work with. If you cannot survive that time with them, don't work with somebody else. So that's the way I built my companies in the past. So I can survive a car ride with somebody for 8 hours. I want to work with them.
Yeah.
And that's why I built relationships, and I have good partners like Kyle and Judy and Michael to do this. And then we also do that when we search out to find partners that we've partnered with. We work with those people that we can survive that car ride. Because we're looking for this to be a long-term process, and then replicate the process across the country with our partners.
I think what you just stated is the difference between relationships and networking. I'm not a big networking guy. Networking means what can you do for me? A relationship means what can we do for each other? Right. That's what they do. They have speed network, which I really don't like speed networking.
No, it's a pleasure networking with you.
No, but never shun from talking to people. Yeah. Talk to everybody.
Yeah.
Because you never know where your next partner is going to come from. That's the biggest thing.